Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your VW Touareg front bumper. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a Torx bit set and a plastic trim removal tool, ready for the job. Next, open the hood to gain access to the upper mounting points. Then, gently remove the front grille. This usually involves unscrewing a few visible fasteners and carefully prying out hidden clips. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components during this initial step. Once the grille is off, you'll find several bolts along the top edge of the bumper, typically 4 to 6, that need to be unscrewed. After that, move underneath the vehicle. You'll need to remove the front sound insulation or underbody shield, which is usually held by about 10 T30 Torx screws. Finally, look along the very bottom edge of the bumper itself for another 3 to 6 screws that secure it to the chassis. Now, turn the front wheels to one side to access the wheel arch liners. You'll find about 3 screws in each liner that need to be removed. Next, carefully release the retaining clips located near the headlights and where the bumper meets the fender corners. A trim tool helps here. Before pulling the bumper completely off, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors and detach the headlight washer hoses. With all fasteners and connections released, it's time for the final step. Have a friend assist you by holding one side of the bumper while you pull the other. Gently and evenly pull the bumper straight forward, ensuring no wires or hoses are still attached and could be damaged. This careful approach prevents any accidental tears or breaks. For an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.